G'day, today I'm making white rocky road in Christmas tree shapes. These are the ingredients on screen that you will need. First, let's start by microwaving the white chocolate in a glass bowl. Mix until smooth and completely melted. Add the cup of mixed lollies. Add the cup of marshmallows. This is optional. Add the sherbet sprinkles. Add the popping candy and mix all together. Put the mixture aside for the moment. Spray your mould with canola spray and using a paper towel wipe off any excess. Using a spoon, start filling the moulds. Gently tap the sides of the moulds. Cover them with cling wrap and put them in the fridge to set. This is one that I've prepared earlier. Gently press them out of the moulds. There you go, white rocky road Christmas trees. You can see the colours through the white chocolate. A perfect present for any last minute gift.